Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got the Maxx on the workbench. I went out and bashed it. Just some flat ground bash. They did a field next to my work where I used to have my little jump at, and they tore it down and just flattened it all out. Took all the weeds out. It's nice and pretty much smooth almost, but this it was fun to take this thing out with the RC hop-ups. 10mm extensions. That was nice. It handled really well out there. I was impressed. I did pop the C-hub, the pins on this, but they just unscrewed them and put it back in place and screwed it back in. I will need to upgrade those C-hubs in the front for sure, coming soon. But yeah, it handled great, guys. I love my Maxx. This thing's awesome. This is the V1. I don't have the white kit on it. I did put like I said, the extensions on there, the 10mm hex, so on each side, so that's 20mm, wider, which you can see these now. And I did make a video on how to up here, and I'll post that, so you can see. I put them on there. So I did take out their battery strap and I put my own in. It's Extreme Racing. Great so far. Bolts right through the bottom. Gives you bolts. You put right through it. Works awesome. Of course, the Traxxas ESC burnt out on me, so I put in my Max 8 in here. Works great. Fit right in there. I did have to do shoe goo because of the honeycomb down in here. But other than that, the fan still works. The light kit doesn't work anymore. If somebody knows how to hook that light kit up to something else, because that goes right into the Traxxas ESC and plugs in, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to take this one off. I have another light kit that I can put in the stock bumpers, but yeah. So there you go, guys. It held up good. Like I said, it just popped out these pins. You just unscrew them, take the tire off, unscrew them, put it back, and screwed it back in. It took a tumble and popped right out. Hang in there, the RC hop-up hex extensions work good, guys. It worked good. You can see how it hung out there, and it flipped, like normal. Any RC is gonna roll. So, but it slid out a lot more than it usually did. So there you go, guys. Stay tuned. Watch it rip up and down the dirt track there, and thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell for the notifications so you can watch all my videos, and have a great day. All right, guys, we're going to take the Maxx out for a little spin. I got a Max 8 in there now because Traxxas cheap-ass stuff. ESC broke on me. Yeah. came out. I think it's time to upgrade. Got these too many times, I think. It'll pop right back in there, but pull these 2 screws out. It'll go back in there to play with a little bit longer, but yeah, it's gonna be time to upgrade here soon. Yeah, just simple, guys. Something simple as that. First time it's done this. That's why they say it's a part you want to upgrade on these Maxxes. This C hub, probably this axle, but they say just the C hub will stop it from bending, flexing. Make sure this other side's in. Yeah, they both pop out on you. I do have RC hop-ups, 10mm extensions on there, which are working awesome. So go out and give it a little bit more rip here. watching. Please like, subscribe. You guys all have a good day.